Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BCAA and whey protein for muscle growth. Whey protein is a popular choice, known for its complete amino acid profile. It contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs, making it a highly effective supplement. Its rapid digestion means it gets to your muscles quickly, which is excellent for recovery after a workout. Most servings offer a substantial 20 to 25 grams of protein, directly supporting muscle repair and growth. This makes it a very efficient way to boost your daily protein intake. Now let's look at BCAA, or branched-chain amino acids. These are 3 specific essential amino acids: leucine, isoleucine, and valine. They play a vital role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis, which is key for growth, and also help reduce muscle breakdown during intense exercise. Many people take BCAA during their workouts to help maintain energy and support endurance. While they are important, remember that they are only 3 of the 9 essential amino acids your body requires for complete protein synthesis. So, which is better for muscle growth? Whey protein offers a complete amino acid profile, providing all the building blocks your muscles need for comprehensive repair and growth. BCAA, on the other hand, are more targeted, focusing on stimulating muscle protein synthesis and helping to reduce exercise-induced fatigue. For overall muscle growth and recovery, whey protein is generally considered more effective because it supplies a full range of essential amino acids. BCAA can be beneficial as an addition, especially during fasted training or for specific performance goals. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual goals and dietary needs. If your diet already provides sufficient complete protein, BCAA might offer a targeted boost. However, for most people looking to maximize muscle growth and recovery, whey protein is a more comprehensive and often more cost-effective solution, providing all the essential amino acids. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals to help you on your fitness journey. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.